ingredient needed: salt, chicken cubes, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, chicken thigh part, onion leaves, calamansi, ginger, garlic, at rice. In a pot, thoroughly wash the rice grains 2 times. After washing and draining, set aside. Peeling the garlic and ginger, then slice the ginger evenly. Slice the calamansi in the middle. Put the pot with clean rice on the rice cooker. Next, put the garlic, ginger, onion leaves and juice of calamansi with salt inside the pot. Now squeeze the calamansi. Add a pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Half tablespoon light soy sauce. Small pinch of chicken cubes. Then stir the mixture. Next, put the onion leaves on the pot. Then put the chicken thigh on the pot. Lastly, add the liquid mixture to the pot. Add a cup of water. Last part. We set the time and wait. Time of cooking is depend on your cooker. It's optional if you want to mix it. For more home cook videos, comment down below your request.